Bless you. We just came back from Target and we decided to build a little Montessori cubby for Dove for all of her toys. Hi. Another high five, girl. Yeah! Woohoo! Okay, fist pump. Say hi. Alright, I don't know how, but Dove is 7.5 months old and she's been doing so many new things. Cute. Okay, we got a baby cam size. These thighs are so cute. Only one shoe, but your thighs are so cute. Meet, 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 meet. Ah! Okay, let's dance. La, 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 la. Say good morning, Dove. I'm thankful for the things I have. What are you thankful for? What are you thankful for? Mama. That's called yummy. That's called yummy.
Someone's a little upset.
Why, baby?
So we're gonna try Karen holding her and then Daddy feeding her.
No, definitely
It's
not
okay,
now.
baby.
Okay. Definitely.
We tried. Karen tried.
All right,
Thank
then.
you.
Let's get a wipe and wipe her down.
These are Karen's. We're on our way to Tacos Manuel.
Hi.
All strapped up. Dubbo's in the back, enjoying. Karen's in the back.
I picked up these sunglasses from Target. Yeah, I got these sunglasses from Target. I think they're actually really cute. And they're polarized. So I was told that in California, because the sun is so bright, that you need to get polarized sunglasses because you can actually get sun damage, like you get skin cancer on your eyeballs. So I've been more cognizant of getting polarized sunglasses. You guys know about the face halo by Chloe Morello? Dove swears it's her new toy now. Like, she will not let me take it from her. It's her favorite thing. And water bottles too. She loves water bottles. We got carne asadas, carnitas, and
Al Pastor.
Al Pastor. That's a lot of tacos, Leo.
Yeah, we'll show you better view, but
This place is called Tacos Manuel. I like to lemon up my tacos.
it's a big mom, big brain right now. The carne asada. Oh my god, well worth the 30-minute drive. Okay, we're back home. Karen is getting Dove out. Food comed out. Yay, Babu, so cute.
Pretty sure it is the third day I have not washed my hair. I don't know if I mentioned this, but my hair is definitely not what I expected it to be. It is more or less a mistake. Like, I didn't want gray, but I didn't hop on here today to talk about my hair. Actually, I want to show you guys. Hi, Dove. She's just chilling here. I got a treadmill because I'm trying to get healthy and work out. I have not been working out since I was pregnant, basically, and hopefully get a hot girl summer body back, but mostly just be healthy. It is Sunday morning and I'm gonna finally get started on the treadmill. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the treadmill. This finally came. I ordered in January, and Debbie's right there. And I'm going to be doing 12-3-30 today. My friend got Dove this mat. Now you have a piano to jump on. Yay! Say hi, Sina. Hi. Hi. Hey guys, I don't know what's gotten into me, but I have one cute top in my hand and I just placed an order on Shein. In fact, I have bought so much things from Shein in the last 2 months or so, and my closet has no space to put all the new clothes in. So I have decided on this random ass hour, I'm going to purge my closet of everything that I don't fit anymore. You guys, it is a freaking disaster in here, okay? Like, okay, so I have all of this. You know, there was a vision at one point, but there's just so much cute clothes in here that I don't fit anymore, and I feel like it's just time to start all over. It's a new me, actually new me. I dyed my hair black, so we're gonna look cute this spring. Hi guys.
It's hot, dude.
Hi! I'm going to start with the clothes that I don't want, and everything is actually from Shein. Buying things on Shein is a hit or miss, but I've gotten really good at buying things on Shein because you just have to read the reviews. Here's an outfit I didn't know I had. I am definitely not an extra small anymore. This is an IAMKARENO top. I had trouble zipping it up, but these pants are actually really cute. Yeah. These pants are really cute. They fit me. I forgot I had this. I'm definitely gonna put this up and wear it. This is actually so cute, but I've never worn it, so that just means that I'm never gonna wear it if I've never worn it, you know? This is cute too, but I'm not gonna wear it. Dude, I'm in my bra because it is so hot right now. Look at these two jumpsuits. They're so cute too. I wore this at a meetup. I think I'm gonna keep this one. This one is very classic, but this one, the IAMKARENO one, it's not very like classic at all, so it kind of dates itself. I'm gonna donate it or sell it. And here's a tiger mist one. Upon pulling it up, this is actually really cute. I think I could save this one. But this one, it's way too small for me. I'm not even gonna try to squeeze into it. I need to find an outfit to wear with this. I'm gonna show you guys the progress of my purge. It's actually like very substantial, okay? Look at that pile that I'm getting rid of. And that's just the beginning. So I got rid of a bunch of clothes on this rack and a bunch on this lower rack. You know what, you guys? I'm pretty sure like 90% of these pants right here, I do not fit into anymore. And I don't even know if I want to fit into them anymore. I think someone else would find joy in this more than me right now. Okay, you guys, I am in shock. I decided to just pop on a pair of pants that I thought it might fit me. And it fits. Like, what the heck? I don't know about these ones. These ones look really small. Also, some of you guys are asking, like, how do I have my skin is like not loose from my baby? All the wrinkles and stuff there. I mean, it's just like not super noticeable until you get really close to it. Yeah, these don't fit at all. Just from first utter shock. I feel like I'll fit these because I fit the other ones. Wow. Yeah. Nope. They're not going to. No. Oh, I for sure can fit these Coca-Cola pants. If I wasn't wearing this bra and this underwear, this outfit would be kind of cute. Y'all. Okay, you guys. Look at this. It's almost as tall as my counter. Okay, now I'm gonna tackle this mess here. It's been like that for a really, really long time, so we'll see how that goes. Happy Monday!
It's a special day because we're getting our windows replaced. Yeah! Woohoo! So these are the original windows that came with the house, you know, and they're good and whatnot, but we wanted something a little bit more insulated, a little bit more for the cold weather, the hot weather, the sound. So we're getting these guys replaced. We're getting those replaced over there and a couple upstairs. We'll be checking in with you, process, showing you guys what's been going on, but we're super excited. It's kind of the first major home upgrade. You're eating one of your teethers? Nice. We're all hanging out in the garage while the windows get installed. Here's Mama Kay hard at work. She's working on my computer for her new banner. Windows are fully installed. I'm so excited. It's not gonna be cold anymore. Yeah. We're going for a walk. You wanna hold the camera, Babs? She's gonna be the vlogger, videographer.
There's this one cracker that's kind of stuck to her chin. What? Time to wipe your hands down too.
Hi, hero. Let's go, come on. Show me the new windows. Oh, wow. Hello.
I think she's gonna be really hungry though. Let's feed her first before you take her out. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of the windows installation, and we're now doing the upstairs. Yep. So we got 4 holes in our bedroom right now. Everything's covered up, but it looks really great. Remember last time I was like purging my closet? The clothes are here now. And I just gotta organize it. Wow, that's crazy. Good morning, welcome to another day of vlogging here at the Tom residence.
The Tom Young.
Although I haven't changed my last name actually. My last name is still Young. There's no other reason besides that it's a huge hassle to get your last names changed. And I haven't even renewed my license yet. Today, I want to show you guys the new windows that were installed. Like we kind of gave you guys like short updates of the window situation, and it took 2 days to install them. These are Anderson windows, if anyone cares. Like I feel like such an old person talking about the type of windows we have and how exciting we are, or how excited we are. Sorry, I got distracted. Wants to be in the video too. Hi, sweetie pie. I love you. Good morning. Do you want to hang out with us over there while mommy eats breakfast? Oh my goodness. Who is this? That is so freaking cute. Like I can't stand it. 邊個咁得意？你話俾媽咪聽先。你個名係咪好得意？唔係，你應該叫做譚得意啊。Am I overwhelming you? Oh my gosh. Babe, her table is so dirty. We have to clean it. There's like a bunch of, we got her these teethers. These are the happy baby teethers I was talking to you guys about that got her table all dirty. She's obsessed. I don't think she knows. Actually, no, she looks like she knows. What is this? You want it? Okay, 1 second. Mommy has to open it for you, okay? Don't worry, you're getting it. Like, I'm not eating this. Although I tried it and it's like, not bad. Goodness. Oh my goodness. So excited. Yummy. We gotta give her some water after because it's like super drying for the mouth.
Oh, word, yeah.
So there's a drill around this house, and as soon as I wake up, I gotta make myself a cup of coffee. Something new and exciting is that we launched a Discord. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with what Discord is, but basically it's kind of like a chatting service where, and then I have my own channel with different topics for anyone that's watching this video. We have topics like skincare, makeup, new mommy group,
Culinary arts.
Oh, culinary arts.
Coffee, tea.
Coffee, as I'm making coffee right now. Tea is Leo's jam.
Things you make at home, things you buy outside.
So I'm really excited to open up this channel so that we can all hang out and all chat. And I kind of want to start this maybe bi-weekly Discord hangout where if you are a mom and you feel super lonely, or you just want some connection, you just want to hang out, bring your baby to the Discord. We're gonna hang out together and just talk about like what we've been doing that week, the struggles, the joys. KAREBEARS, Care Bears. So you guys can find our group on Care Bears, and I'm so excited for us to share like our favorite skincare products that's been working for us. I know our skin has been going a little wild right now. I am so freaking sad. So these Bianco Ligero pods that I've been raving about, I have like this perfect recipe that I create my lattes with. They are all sold out, and it's the only pod that's sold out on Nespresso.com. Baby girl, this is your second cracker, huh? Yummy. Dun, 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 dun. We made it to TJ Maxx. I need candles for the vibes. And I want to get her some like new clothes. I think TJ Maxx is a perfect place to buy baby's clothes because it's pretty affordable. We're at the candle aisle. Okay, if you don't know, DW is the brand if you want like really strong, good candles that's reliable. Oh my god, that smells so good. Okay, we're taking this one.
Time to brush your teeth.
Ooh, which one should we get for you, Dove? I think the rose flamingo is so cute. Dove gets one, and Mommy gets one. We can float together. Ow, no. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please. That hurts Mommy, you know. See, you pulled my hair. If you guys want to watch more videos from me, I'll have the playlist listed in the description box below. I I upload every Friday, and you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.